Welcome to Navigate Student, your free step-by-step guide to the college experience at Seminole State. You can plan your courses in advance, schedule appointments with your advisor, explore majors and programs, and more. You can download the free app to use on your mobile device by searching for Navigate Student in the App Store and Google Play. Or visit sem.st/navigate to log into your student account. You'll log in using your Seminole State student ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a list of features available to Seminole State students. If there are any time-sensitive tasks, you'll find a list of them in your to-dos and events. You can even add your own personal to-do items here. Need to meet with an advisor? Make an appointment using the Appointments feature. Choose your type of appointment, a related service, and pick a date to find available times. Meet in person, by phone, or virtual. Interested in exploring our majors? Try the survey feature in Major Explorer. The survey is simple. Answer a brief series of questions describing yourself. Share your goals, interests, and fields to open up your possibilities. Ready to find classes for next semester? Navigate's Academic Planner is the best place to schedule all your courses for upcoming terms at Seminole State. Our planning tools offer course sequence templates based off your academic goals to ensure you're taking the right courses toward your degree. To get started, first we want to know what courses you'll need to take. Go to Add Templates, then choose a template or two based on your academic goals by using the Add to My Templates action. Once added, you can view and compare multiple templates by checking their boxes. Templates are basically the required course sequence that helps you stay on track to earning your degree. Now that you have a game plan ready, you're set to add the appropriate courses to each term. Let's first add a future term. Now let's add a course to that new term. Easy, right? Now you're ready to pick your classes that fit your schedule and register for that term. This was a quick preview of what Navigate has to offer Seminole State students. Learn more at seminolestate.edu/navigate.